So far we've been seeing about the various effects of radiation over the living systems. Now we'll be seeing about the ways of protection from radiation. Basically there are three principles in radiation protection. The first one being justification, wherein every X-ray that is prescribed in a dental clinic needs to be justified for its positive net benefit. The second principle being limitation, where the radiation dose should not exceed the limits as recommended by the International Commission on Radiological Protection. And finally is optimization, which is based on the concept of ALARA, which is an abbreviation of as low as reasonably as achievable. Radiation protection includes protection to the patient, operator, and that of the surroundings. Moving on to protection to the patient, they are in three stages, which are before exposure, during exposure, and after exposure. The parameters that are considered before exposure are an ideal filtration, collimation, and a position indicating device. Based on the effect of source to skin distance, a long PID of 16 inch is preferred over a short PID of 8 inch because of less divergence of X-ray beam as shown in this pictorial representation. During exposure, the patient should be encouraged to wear a lead apron and a thyroid collar so as to preserve the vital organs. Also, use of appropriate techniques to avoid retakes. Patients should also be given film holding devices so that the patient's finger does not get exposed while taking a radiograph. And after exposure, in case of conventional radiographs, proper processing is required for making them diagnostics and avoiding retakes. Moving over to protection of operator, the principal aim is that the operator should be avoiding the primary beam, and this is brought about by the position and distance rule. Operator must stand 6 feet away and 90 to 135 degree away from the primary beam. Also, operator must use radiation monitoring badges so as to monitor the amount of radiation exposure of the operator, and these badges are worn on the chest region or on the waist region, which are periodically monitored. And finally is about the protection to the surroundings. Protective barriers to absorb the radiation includes walls which are built of lead, wood, and or calcium phosphate. Thank you.